Find or read reviews that people are talking about. ANDTE 250 Pint, commercial dehumidifier with pump for industrial, 8,000 square feet, commercial grade dehumidifiers with drain hose for basements. 38 gallon per day, 5 years warranty. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Commercial dehumidifier. 250 pints of dehumidification under saturated conditions, 110 pints in AHAM. The powerful fan can make the air intake speed reach 370 cfm, easily reduce the humidity in the air. Absorb more moisture quickly and effectively with the minimum energy consumption. It is suitable for any basement, crawling space, warehouse, large room, and water damage repair. Area up to 8,000 square feet. It can also accelerate the drying process after painting or plastering your walls. Built-in pump drainage. This commercial dehumidifier with internal pump will automatically discharge condensate water. The 16.5-foot long drainage hose and 16.5 feet vertical drainage height maximize installation portability. Advanced control for effortless operation. A touchpad LED control display offers great convenience for operating the commercial dehumidifiers, which has auto restart after power failure. The large room dehumidifier will auto on/off to maintain the room humidity around set point. Auto defrost when coils iced up. Auto on/off timer programming for 1 to 24 hours. Move convenient. Portable to move. Measuring at only 21.6 x 19 x 33 inches, packed with 2 large wheels with a diameter of 10 inches and 2 sturdy metal handrail. This restoration dehumidifier allows for more flexibility with transportation, placement, and storage. Even from downstairs to upstairs by one person. Easy washable filter and low noise. The filter of this industrial dehumidifier can be disassembled and cleaned. We suggest that you clean it 1 month after trial, and it is recommended to replace the filter 4 to 5 months. The industry-leading noise reduction function of low noise can keep it quiet at any time during your busy time. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.